I know you know what I know. Xiaomi has launched Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro. Today we are going to review this smartphone's review. And in the next video we are going to review Xiaomi 13 Pro. So stay tuned with me. The phone is awesome, and the best part of this smartphone is new MIUI version 14 is awesome, and everything is awesome in this, but the price is a little bit costly. Okay, let's see. So first we need to unbox this and then talk about this smartphone. Let's do it. Global technology brand Xiaomi has launched the Xiaomi 13 series smartphone at its annual flagship launch event in China. According to the company, both Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro are powered by the flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and most latest MIUI 14 software. The Xiaomi 13 comes in black, field green, far mountain blue and white colors. The Xiaomi 13 sports a 50 megapixel Sony IMX800 lens with optical image stabilization. So starting with the body design of Xiaomi 13, which looks very alike iPhone 13, but in many ways lots of people might like Xiaomi instead iPhone because it's good quality and reasonable price. The Xiaomi 13 has a flat side frame with rounded corners and has a 71.5mm ultra narrow body for easy one-hand usage. The blue color variant of the Xiaomi 13 has an innovative material on the back that it calls technological nano skin that is anti-ultraviolet, yellowing, erosion, dirt even after long-term use, but not scratch resistant. They offer multiple connectivity options like dual SIM, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GNSS, NFC, UNFC 4.0, and under-display fingerprint sensor, Dolby speaker, and USB Type-C. The Xiaomi 13, it is the best in class device with 6.36-inch display and 120Hz max out refresh rate. Best part is it has got Samsung E6 latest display OLED panel flat screen. The screen is protected by a corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The phone also has IP68 ratings for dust and water resistant, HDR10+, 413 ppi for support, and the peak brightness can go max 1900 nits, 1.61mm ultra narrow bezels, and 93.3% screen to body ratio, which is more than iPhone 14 and almost match with iPhone 14 Pro brightness capability. The Xiaomi 13 comes in glass body and vegan leather, and vegan leather is bit lighter than glass body. Glass version weighs 189 grams and the Xiaomi 13 vegan leather weighs 185 grams and measures 8.0mm in thickness. The phone is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and MIUI 14 software and 4642mm2 large VC liquid cooling area. Yeah, Xiaomi went all out this time, and I love the fact how they gave an equal importance to the non-Pro variant of the Xiaomi 13 series. It has a 4500 mAh battery, 67 watt wire charger, 50 watt wireless and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. Its triple Leica powered triple camera system includes Sony IMX800, 50 megapixel primary sensor with OIS optical image stabilization, a 10 megapixel OIS enabled telephoto camera sensor with 3x optical zoom, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor. On the front, there is a 32 megapixel shooter with full HD video recording capabilities. The Leica powered camera system on the Xiaomi 13 Pro sees a big update over its sibling. There are three 50 megapixel camera sensors, wide, ultra wide and telephoto. The telephoto camera offers 3.2 optical zoom. The Xiaomi 13 is offering you great camera features that will let you take amazing shots and videos even in low lights. There is some software which is very powerful that ensures user will complete all of the tasks with ease. At least there is also a large battery and beautiful display so that users get non-stop entertainment in high quality.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need.
ये मैंने फ्रंट कैमरा से वीडियो बनाना शुरू की है 32 मेगापिक्सल 1080p और 30 fps पे वीडियो बन रही है। अभी मैं स्टोर में हूँ तो कुछ ऐसा कलर वगैरह आपको दिखेगा, ठीक है। अब उसके बाद मैं आया हूँ ये बाहर, तो बाहर जो है ये आसमान का जो है कलर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा मुझे। ये वीडियो मुकम्मल होने के बाद ही कुछ पता चलेगा। अभी जो है मैं बाहर हूँ तो आपको इस वीडियो में जो है इसकी आवाज़ जो है सिर्फ इस फ़ोन से आपको आएगी। मैंने कोई इसमें जो है एक्सटर्नल माइक का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया गया और ये बाहर जो है कुछ ऐसा लगेगा। तो फ्रंट में जो है आपको ये हाइपर iOS नहीं मिलेगा, तो मैं आपको दिखाता भी हूँ। अभी मैं रनिंग कर रहा हूँ तो कुछ इसका ऐसा रिज़ल्ट है। तो फ्रंट कैमरा से जो है वीडियो का रिज़ल्ट ये मिलेगा। ये अब मैं वीडियो बैक कैमरा से बना रहा हूँ, 4K की वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, 8K की वीडियो नहीं बना रहा क्योंकि यूट्यूब पे 8K तक नहीं जाएगी। और ये 30 fps पे वीडियो बन रही है बैक कैमरा से। जो यहाँ पे अभी कुछ लोग जो है अपना ये कोविड टेस्ट करवा रहे हैं और चाइना में जो है ये अब ये सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशंस यहाँ पे कोविड के हटा दिए गए हैं। अब मर्ज़ी है कि आप करना चाहें तो आप ये इसका कोविड टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, मगर अभी ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो ये मौसम वगैरह देख सकते हो, अभी जो है सूरज वगैरह नहीं निकला हुआ है तो पूरा जो है बादल ही बादल है, तो कुछ कलर आसमान के नहीं दिखेंगे। बाकी यहाँ पे आप कलर वगैरह देख सकते हैं कि कैसा है। और अगर मैं इसे जूम करूँ तो जूम की स्पीड जो है कुछ ऐसी है, अभी भी जो है क्लैरिटी दिखा रहा है इस वीडियो में। और जूम करते हैं तो ये इतना जूम तक जाएगा बस। आखिर इसकी ये है जूम की लिमिट 6.0x वीडियो बनाते वक्त। और ये मैंने पीछे लेके आया हूँ तो ये अब इसने अल्ट्रा वाइड नहीं किया है मगर ये 1.0x तक आया है। तो अल्ट्रा वाइड जब आपको वीडियो बनानी है तो पहले ऑप्शन को क्लिक करना पड़ेगा, वीडियो बनाते वक्त ये अल्ट्रा वाइड नहीं करेगा। अब ये मैं इसकी बैक कैमरा से वीडियो बना रहा हूँ अभी भी, और ये मैं व्लॉगिंग कर रहा हूँ तो आपको व्लॉगिंग जो है कुछ ऐसे कर सकते हैं। इसके अंदर आपको बैक कैमरा में जो है आपको हाइपर iOS मिल जाएगा। जैसे कि आप रनिंग वगैरह करते हैं तो आपको ये बहुत ज़्यादा शेक नहीं करेगा। अभी पता नहीं कि ये शेक कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा, तो आपको रिज़ल्ट आपको पता चल रहा होगा कि इसका ही कैसा है। तो ये है इसका रिज़ल्ट। The Xiaomi 13 comes in white, black, floral green and mountain blue colors, and the price starts at 3,999 yuan, 574 in USD dollars for the 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. It is available to order from December 11 and will go on sale from December 14 in China. I know you know, not this time. Thank you so much for watching my video, and you think this phone is something and you can wait for it, then you need to wait for the global version. And I don't know when they are going to announce for the global version. Till now this phone is only available in China. If you wanna buy this phone, you can buy from online from China. And I hope you like my video, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Take care of yourself. We will see you in the next one. Bye.